Alright, we're in a blizzard. We may or may not make it up the hill that I grew up on. That's the Owego exit. I'm sliding. There's a stop sign right before the hill, and I can't really afford to stop. Here we go, let's do it. Nobody this way, nobody that way. Alright, let's do it. I thought we were stuck. Maybe we're not. Oh my god, we made it. But there's some serious burning rubber. Good thing it's a rental. Okay, this is the sidewalk that I kind of hit on the way up the other day. Ooh. Uh-oh, I hit it again. Oops. Oh my god. I don't know if we're gonna have any tires left. Not bad. Not bad. Alright. Yes. I think we made it. Alright. That's life in upstate New York. Now we gotta make sure that I can get out of my driveway. Alright. If I didn't fail the first time 3 times, then I wouldn't have been able to do it this time.